So this key fob battery needs to be replaced, all right? But I would do it myself, but this time around, I want to make sure that my wife knows how to do it. So let me go get my wife and we're gonna change this battery, okay? CX-5 2021 to 2024 battery change.
Well, what you do is gonna take me one
Okay,
time to do
so
it.
yeah, if you follow us, you know we got a Mazda, and
I got a bonnet on today, excuse me. Everybody got the floor in my house.
one more thing is that key fob battery needs changing, all right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to do it, babe,
Okay.
so that if I'm not around, you can do it yourself, you know what I mean? All right. So,
I'm smart. I believe I can figure it out.
yeah, but at least you see me do it one time, right?
Okay.
All right, so this is the battery that you need to use.
Battery.
Yeah. This is the battery you need to use, all right? So, the size on it, you just know that it's for the key fob.
Key fob.
CR2032 lithium battery.
Lithium battery.
Right? Just gonna try to get it out. I'm gonna. That's what it looks like. Alright, now for the key fob battery, you want to turn it around where the logo is not there, okay? Alright, right there. So where the logo is not there, then you want to look for that thing under here, right? Is there a reason why it's not focusing?
I don't know.
You need to tap, yeah, tap right there. Alright, cool. So you're gonna pull this back, and then you're gonna slide this that way. You take this part off, take your key out, alright, and then you're gonna pop this part off that way. Alright. Once you get that done, you wanna look on this side, right underneath here. You want to pry that part open. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and lift that part up. Now we got expose the battery. The battery is right here. Right here is where the battery is, right? Now you want to go ahead and turn it around this way. Needless to say, you need to have like a small screwdriver or long fingernails, you know. You just want to lift this part up, okay? Once you lift it up, you expose the battery. You can pop the old one out, dispose of it properly, right? And you pop the new one and slide it in like that. And then, you know, you secure. There's a groove that this goes into. Slide it in and you snap, okay? And then you want to secure the logo side on this side. So you're gonna look for this thing right here. This thing fits right into that hole on this side. Turn it like this. Pop it in and snap. Okay. Let's see. It's not snapping. All right, put the back down. Then you do like so. Snap. All right. Now we got that side. We need to put the top back on. You look for the grooves again. Look for the grooves right there. You match the grooves and you snap. All right. Once you snap, put your key back in, your spare key, right? And you go ahead and remember, you slide to the right to open, you slide to the left to close. All right. Good. There, you got a working key fob. All right. Working. All right. Let's show them it's working.
Front door.
that's how you replace a key fob battery in a CX-5.